Hello, distinguished audience. The topic of my discussion is Introduction to Drug Discovery and Development from Concept to Market. Drug discovery is a process of identifying new chemical entity that could be used for treatment and prevention of diseases, and it involves several steps. The first step is the target identification and validation. Identifying a biological target implicated in the disease and to validate its relevance. The second step is the lead optimization, the screening and identifying large library of chemical entities, identifying a lead that can interact with the already identified biological target. The third stage is the lead optimization, optimizing the properties of lead compound to enhance potency, selectivity, and pharmacokinetic properties. Other techniques of lead identification include high throughput screening, computer-aided design, combinatorial chemistry, computational chemistry, drug molecular and structure-activity relationship. Drug development involves four components, which starts with the preclinical studies. It's a test done on in the laboratory. It is done to assess the safety and efficacy of drugs on animals. The second step is the clinical trials, which involves three stages of clinical trials. It's conducted in human to evaluate the safety and efficacy of drugs on humans. The first clinical trial involves about 10th of humans. The second phase involves hundreds of humans. The third involves thousands of humans. It's a multi-centered clinical trial which involves several age groups, race, and geographical background. The third level of development is the regulatory approval. Once the drug passes the clinical trial, the documents from the clinical trial will be forwarded to the regulatory agents such as NAFDA for review and approval. Then the last stage is the post-market survey, which involves monitoring the safety, efficacy of the drug after it has been approved and marketed for several years. Thank you for listening.